Yeah, Fred, and that judge decided that there is enough evidence for this case to move forward and go to trial. That decision came after hours of testimony, about 5 hours in total. He also looked at evidence from the mass shooting in Grays Ferry on July 7th that killed 3 men and injured 10 others. This surveillance video that you are looking at was one of the key pieces of evidence the prosecution's expert witness played in court. The Commonwealth argues that various videos they collected from that night link 2 of the defendants, Diev Jardine and Brandon Fisher, as 2 of the potentially 15 shooters. Prosecutors say they recovered a gun belonging to a 3rd suspect, Daquan Brown, and that it was the only firearm recovered that matched ballistic evidence found at the scene. Prosecutors say a 4th man, Terrell Frazier, was on Instagram Live minutes before the shooting. They say he is heard reading a message he received from someone that read, "We're going to come around the block and shoot it up," and then he responded on video by saying, "Come around." Now, attorneys for Frazier and Fisher argued the Commonwealth failed to link their clients to the shooting. Attorneys for Jardine and Brown both argued their clients fired in self-defense and had legal gun permits. Now, in the end, the judge decided all 4 can be held for trial on charges of 3rd-degree murder, aggravated assault, and recklessly endangering another person. He did throw out the conspiracy charge as well as attempted murder charges. We spoke with Azir Harris's mother after all of this. Her son was in a wheelchair and was on the block that night for a cookout.
I go to my son's resting place every Saturday or either Sunday, and it's not a day or a moment inside my home. We try to hold it up, but we can't.
And many people that were there that night on that block were friends. 2 other men are also facing charges in this case. However, their preliminary hearings are happening at a later date. That's the very latest live outside the Criminal Justice Center in Center City this afternoon. I'm Brian Sheehan, NBC 10 News.